So if you need to find out the value of x here in 2x plus 1 equals 5, here's how you do it. What we want to do is get x all by itself. Why don't we do this? Why don't we subtract 1 here from this side of the equation? Because 1 minus 1 is 0. So we'd have 2x plus 0. We could just call that 2x. But this is algebra. Whatever we do to this side, we need to do to this side. 5 minus 1, that equals 4. But now we can just divide by 2 here and here. 2 over 2 is 1. 1x, that's just x. 4 divided by 2, that equals 2. So the x in 2x plus 1 equals 5, it's equal to 2. And we can check that. So let's put 2 back into our equation here. X equals 2. 2 times 2 is 4. 4 plus 1, that equals 5. And we have 5 here. 5 equals 5. That's a true statement. So we're right. X equals 2. That's the correct value for x in 2x plus 1 equals 5. This is Dr. B. Thanks for watching.